We built it, you bought it. Now it's go time. We want you to have the very best experience with your Go, but please pay attention to these details before getting started. First, let's go over what's what so you can get cooking. While the Go is still closed, it's the best time to open the kickstand and make adjustments to the tilt. This is especially true when you're preparing for the vertical liquid boiling mode. Be firm but not forceful with the kickstand. Pull down to move and push up to lock into position. Unzip the product fully. Don't stop too early. Next, we've integrated a hidden prop stick to hold the reflectors in an open position for stability when leaning. Engaging the prop stick happens with just one finger and only in one direction. Now you're ready to cook, but remember, do not preheat the GoSun. In other words, don't leave it out in the sun empty without food inside to be cooked. The GoSun Dial is here to help align the Go at the sun. Watch the glare align with the center of the target lines below. Look for the glare. Use the kickstand to find the best tilt angle toward the sun. Rotation is needed about every half hour if you're really trying to maximize performance. Cooking is a piece of cake. Food goes in and out of the cooking tray while holding the handle. The cooking tray itself can get very hot, so you don't want to touch there. Chop food up or jam-pack the Go to fit more. Use the provided silicone cups to serve several dishes and make the cleanup even easier. If the cooking tray is sliding with some friction, a solid two-handed squeeze helps to keep the tray from expanding. When you're finished cooking, close the reflectors or lean the Go out of the sun. This is the off position. This is the on position. To get set up in boiling mode, remove the cooking tray, fully engage the kickstand, and lock it in place while the Go is closed. Open the reflectors and engage the prop stick. Slide the action stand through the kickstand and rotate it so that it locks in place with the bolt hole underneath your Go. Next, remove the silicone lid from the cooking tray's handle and gently place it on top to help contain the heat. Again, don't let the GoSun preheat empty in the sun. Keep the unit out of the sun until you're ready to add water. A super hot preheated tube should never see water. Once the water's hot, pouring it out is best done by holding the kickstand and the gear loop as shown. Finally, you've cooked up a feast. Tasted some garlic in your coffee, and now it's time to clean. The cleaning brush provided will make this easy, but if you can't find it, a paper towel will do. Again, be sure the Go has not been preheating empty in the sun before adding water, but good old-fashioned water and soap will do the job.
Don't forget to clean the cooking tray after every use.
Food juices can flow out onto the EVA case and require a little cleanup. The case and all the Go parts can handle being in water and mild soap. We like to think of the Go as a rugged device that can handle a few battle wounds. Let it air dry, but it's not dishwasher safe. Cleanliness is helpful to keep your Go performing. Indeed, cleaning the fingerprints is the biggest job. If you don't like using Windex, a microfiber cloth will do the job. To experiment with the universal action mount, you can get accessories that are set up for the GoPro camera. Attach that to the front of your GoSun Go and find a rail, a bike, a boat, or in this case, a camera tripod to take your Go and cook anywhere on the fly. Now you're ready, you're set, and it's time to go outside and get cooking.